Hello friends, Iltaf Malik and this is my English language channel so that you will know about the English language, know about me, my journey of learning English language. I'm not too much fluent but I think that I can send my message, I can make other person understand whatever I'm saying, sometimes in broken English but sometimes in very good English. It depends on mood. Sometimes your mood is good and you speak in very decent way, and sometimes your mood is off and you do not speak in proper way, because when you are surrounded by the pathos, by sorrows, by the poverty, by other kind of the things, the problems you are facing, then your mind will not work in proper way. If you want to work or you want to make others people understand about your things, then I think that your mind should be relaxed. With a relaxed mind you can deliver a lot of good things. But sometimes when you are in problem, when you are in tension, then also your mind works in some other way. Some more motivational things comes out of your mind, and that will be very beneficial for other people. But actually when you are in relaxed mood and if you do some kind of lecture, then your lecture will be fine, good, understandable. But if you are in tension, there might be different kind of tensions. Perhaps you are facing the poverty problems, perhaps you are facing the illness problems, perhaps your family members are facing some kind of problems and your mind is thinking about that thing. You want to make the videos for your channel, you want to teach others people in English language, you are teaching people about the English language, but in your mind this thing is running that everything is finished at my house, my children are ill, I don't have money to purchase medicines for them. So these kind of tensions will not allow you to make the good lecture, to give others people the good things. I think that relaxed mind is very necessary, but sometimes I felt that whenever you are in tension, whenever you are in sorrows, in problems, then your mind works in different way and different things come out of your mind, and those lectures or those your words are very motivational. Those words make other people motivated towards some things. The people would come to know the problems of the society, because you know the problems of the society, but there are some people, those are in early stages, don't know the problems of the life. It requires age factor. When you are growing, your age is 30 or 40, then your mind will work in different way instead of the teenagers. Teenagers thinks in other way. They don't know the hardships of life because they have not experienced. Whenever they will reach in their 40 or 30, then their mind will think in different way. So actually, if you are willing to make yourself a good person of the society, I think that first if you face different kind of problems, and then after 30 or 40 age you achieve your goals, you become the rich person, then you are very right person to deliver the things to others people. Then you will help others people, then you will know the problems of others people. Otherwise, if you are in richness, you have never seen the poverty, you have never seen the problems of life, then I think that it is very difficult for you to understand the problems of others. You will understand that all the people are same because as you are doing, but not all the people are same. There are so many people those are in hardships, those are in problems. But to understand their problems, experience is required. When you are experienced, when you have seen the hardships of your life, some people see the hardships from their early ages, and some people are God gifted. They have a vision, they have a thought to understand the problems of other peoples. I think that that person is very good person who understands the problems of others by himself. Don't wait for others that he will beg from you, and then you will give him. Before begging, you will give directly to him. Some people say that if there are white collar people and those don't ask or don't show their problems, their pathos to others people. But this is the duty of well established people of the society to understand their problems and to solve their problems without asking them directly. Go to them, approach them and solve their problems. Then you will be the good person. Then you can say that you are the understandable person, that you can understand the problems of others by sayings. I think that this quality is God gifted, and this quality is due to mercy of God. I have seen there are so many people, those are very rich, those are very luxurious life, those have the luxurious life, but they are deaf about the problems of other people. They are blind about the problems of other people. They even don't know the problems of their neighboring people, living very close to them. Because sometimes I feel astonished that which kind of people these are. They have the money, but the person very near to them is facing so many problems, but they will not be able to solve their problems. They will not look after them. So without God mercy, without God help, I think no one can help others. And God have chosen some people to serve the mankind. Everybody is not for serving the mankind. So this is the reason that some rich people do not care about the poor people. I have experienced this myself. There are so many rich people, those who are deaf, blind about the problems of others. They don't try to understand what others are doing, how others are living. But there are the people, those are not too much rich, but they know the problems of others. They find the people, they try to help them according to their ability. So I think that if God have given you something, give something to others, needy people. This was the English language lecture, because for delivering some kind of lectures, some topics are required. So today I discussed this topic. In next video I will discuss another topic. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel and give your feedback to improve our speaking skills more better in next videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.